Advanced outlines. What is the matter? What is the matter from first to last? From first to last, right or wrong? Right or wrong? Short-sighted, short-sighted. In connection with their, in connection with their. That conclusion. That conclusion in the years to come. In the years to come, most probably, in a point of fact, in a point of fact, as you all know, as you all know, as we all know, as we all know, I would like to draw, I would like to draw, I should like to draw, I should like to draw. May I draw the attention? May I draw the attention? I wish to draw, I wish to draw, I will draw the attention, I will draw the attention. Little consideration. Industrial life as a matter of interest, as a matter of interest. Autonomous. Date of birth. Warehouse. Hesitation. Challenge. Overtime. Guaranteed. Differentiate. Discontinuous. Technical. Increased. Circle. Circulated. It is considered. Direct taxation. Question and answer. Questions before the house. Working men. Paid up policy. Documentation. Denominate. Demonetization. Waterproof. Country made. Outdated. Know-how. Warrant. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir. Mr. Deputy Chairman. Sir. Madam Deputy Chairman. Mr. Deputy Speaker. Welfare. Mr. Chairman, sir. Farmer. Rules and regulations. Association. Requirement. Examination. Indo-Pak. Review. At the same time, it is true that implemented up to rupees. I would like to submit in this direction. Harassment. Formation. Formulate. Assure. I assure you. I assure the honorable member. I can assure you. I can assure the house. I would like to assure you. I may assure you. I have to assure him. Point of view. My submission. I am grateful. I am thankful. I have received. Likely. What is the matter? I wish to draw. 10th 5-year plan. Ninth 5-year plan. Dissatisfaction. Valuable. Similar manner. Similar position. So far as I can judge. So far as I can remember. So far as maybe. So far as we are assured. So long as I can. Solicitor General. Some means by which. Some of us. Something in the nature of. Something must be done. Speaking from my own experience. On this side of the house. One after another. One after the other. One side of the picture. One thing of a time. or some other method, ordinary rate of interest, other side of the picture, may I point out, may I remind the honorable member, means to an end, member of the select committee, mentioned above, kindly look into the matter, large number of cases in which, last but not least, heartily congratulations, stop.